Let's sublimate with me. Today I decided to sublimate customized pillow cover. So I printed out in my EPSON 28500. I use a sublimation ink hippo, and these things you need for sublimation: heat press, parchment paper, paper cutter, painter's tape, sublimation pillow cover or blank heat resistant tape. And first you can see that I print out some images. So in one side at least I need 4 images, so total 8 images I printed out with my printer. So because I removed the roller from my printer, so at the bottom of the images almost 3 inches all the ink is smudges because there is no rollers. If you want to print something, you have to keep in mind that to leave the extra space for almost 3 inches. So even if you cut out the images, so it will not look bad. So you can see that how I am cutting the images from the edges because all the ink is smeared. And you can see that after cutting all the images according to the length how I want it, I place it on the pillow and I adjust according to my desired look. So because there is a images, some is longer and some is short, so I'm trying to adjust at how I can place all these images. There is no specific rule, you can choose however you want. And then I first tape it in the front only little bit, and make sure you use the good quality tape because otherwise it can destroy the images, so then you have to print it again. After placing the images, I apply tape on it to just gather so it will not move. After that I will place the tape at the back. I flip the side and you can see that this is the paper after 4 images is gathered. So now I place it the painter's tape at the back to give the sturdy look, so it will not move when I applied heat on it. After applying tape, I flip the side and I remove the front side tape. You can see that this is the heat resistant tape, so you have to gently remove the tapes, otherwise the you can see that from one side the image was destroyed because I applied the tape and I don't know why from this side it was stuck and paper was destroyed. You can see that. After that I removed the tapes from the back again because from some of the spots paper was stuck with the tape and the image was not now good. So then I tried to change the side and hide the thing underneath so it will not look bad. I did the same process and I adjust the pictures, and after that I applied the tape at the back again. After that I turn on the heat press and I adjust the temperature. It's 360 degrees centigrade and for 60 seconds. I left it for heat up the heat press, and by the time I place the parchment paper inside the pillow cover, so the ink will not transfer to the other side. So I gather 2 parchment papers and I tape it up, and then after that I place it inside so the ink will not transfer. After that, I place the sublimation pictures that are upside down. You can see that, and after that I also place the parchment paper underneath as well. And after that I tape all the edges according to the pillow's length. You can see that how you have to make sure that the pillow is straight and all the creases out. You can heat press the pillow and make it's good to heat press the pillow before and remove all the creases, and it will also remove the moisture from the blanks. After that, I applied heat resistant tape at the back to give the images sturdy look. So when I applied heat on it, so the images will not move to other place or it will be destroyed otherwise. After applying tape, I removed the extra paper because otherwise the ink will transfer to the bed sheet that is placing underneath or in the parchment paper. So that's why I removed the extra paper. After that, I placed the heat press for 60 seconds for each side. It was in sections, so I applied in 4 sections heat equally, and then after that I removed the images. You can see that how it transfers the ink, and then after that I did the other side the same process, and I applied in the section because the heat press is not that much size, so that's why I applied in sections. So you have to make sure to overlap some of the area, but don't apply too much heat, otherwise the ink will fade. And that's the final result. You can see the how vibrant color is. If you have any question regarding sublimation, you can ask me.